This is the Airline Pencil Grinder. This is my go-to, 9 times out of 10, always blunt. It is amazing what you can do with a blunt Dremel and a blunt chisel. You get different burrs. These are carbide burrs, and they've got teeth going both ways, as you can see there. When this turns on and you apply it to the bronze, it takes away the material. So the aim of the game with this tool is, once you've welded and you've ground down that weld to then create the form of the sculpture, you can then go over it with this and put in the texture that's all over the rest of the piece. And then from there, you move on to your surface conditioning pads, and then your chisels, your punches, the hammers, putting in that texture. It's all about layers. So you could do one load of texture, rub it back with a surface conditioning pad, then you can put in more texture with a different tool, and then over time you're going to get this lovely depth of texture. It's not just about the one hit wonder, it's about layering it up so you get your whole piece looking nice and fresh.